This video is for only people that want to download the CapCut Pro for free. If that is the purpose for which you are here, you have clicked the right video. This is the only video you need to watch to solve that problem. I downloaded the CapCut Pro in 2025 and I have used it about 6 months now. Although I do not edit videos for clients, but it has helped me in so many ways, especially as a new creator with little amount of money. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you the ultimate guide or the legitimate method on how you can download it too and start editing like a pro. It's not really easy as a new creator to be paying for premium software every month when you don't even have a dime. Just make sure to watch this video to the end and follow the step carefully. If you miss a single step, you will have yourself to blame, not me. Don't worry, no form of subscription or payment is required. All you need is just your data, Wi-Fi, and the internet connection with some few steps that I'll be showing you in this video. To download the CapCut Pro, there are 3 things you have to do. Number 1, you have to download the Telegram app from the Google Play Store or from the Apple Store and create a brand new account. If you already have it, you are good to go. Number 2, you have to uninstall the CapCut you downloaded from the Google Play Store or from the Apple Store. Number 3, I will display that in the screen recording. But before we can go for that, hi and you're welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are seeing me, don't forget to hit the like button so the YouTube algorithm can push this video to more people. Also subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any important feature content. Not to procrastinate the time like that thing. Now before we continue with the video, let me go to my app and show you the result I have on my CapCut. Now this is my CapCut. And you can see you are a pro member now, and I have been using this for the past 6 months. Then let's go to the Telegram app. Let me show you how I got this. Then this is my Telegram here. All right, once you go to your Telegram, look for this premier access to 500 mobile software. Make sure you tap this one here, the one you are seeing here. All right, once you tap this, type the same thing again, premier access to 500 mobile software. All right, tap this. Then once you are on this home page, go to file here, then scroll up a bit and tap the search bar here, then search for CapCut. I'm a PC. All right, it's already available. This is the CapCut Pro. Make sure you tap on it to install it. I already have it. Make sure you stay on the app until the app is completely downloaded. All right, I don't have to download it twice again. Try it and let me know in the comments. All right, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in my next video. See this video up here? This video has gotten over 1,000 views on my channel, and in the video I teach people how you can download the InShot Pro like I have shown you in this video. If you also want to download the InShot Pro, you can click the pinned comment in the video, or you can continue watching the video here. Maybe you just want to recommend the video here. One love, thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.